Christopher Columbus went in search of India in the wrong direction. And when he found a place, he confidently called it Indies. And that is why West Indies. And these people became Red Indians. But beyond his ignorant overconfidence and cruelty, his voyage set in motion one of the greatest biological transfers in human history. It's called the Columbian Exchange. After Columbus, 80 to 95% of Native Americans were killed not by Europeans, but by diseases like smallpox, measles, plague, and malaria. You see, Europeans had larger cities, denser populations, and had domesticated more animals. So that gave more opportunities for diseases to jump from animals to humans. The Native American had no immunity to these diseases. Also, cows and horses. While we tend to associate horses with Native Americans, they were actually introduced by Europeans. And the one thing that was slowing down European colonization of tropical parts of the world, malaria. And after Columbus, they found the Andean cinchona tree in South America, from which quinine allowed Europeans to more successfully colonize tropical parts of the world, like India. The Americas were also ideal for growing sugar and coffee, and that required cheap labor. And since most Native Americans were dead, with the help of quinine to deal with malaria, Europeans kidnapped 12 million Africans and made them slaves to work in the Americas. They also found a remarkable starchy tuber in South America, the potato, which allowed Europe to grow its population by 12% and urbanize 50% more. And most crucially, unlike wheat, which spoiled on ships, potatoes, when properly stored, allowed longer and more sea voyages, and therefore more colonization. Also, fun fact, potatoes contain vitamin C, so it also prevented scurvy, which used to kill a lot of sailors. In addition to making Europe fabulously wealthy with coffee and sugar, another native nightshade plant, other than chili, tomato, and potatoes, that was native to the Americas, was introduced to the world after Columbus: tobacco. That went on to kill 250 million people and resulted in approximately 6 billion person years of life lost.